Welcome to Shiny Tech Things, and on today's Tech Support Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of tips and tricks for the new macOS Big Sur. Now, before we go ahead and get started, I want to go ahead and take you back in time to like 2006 to Windows Vista, where they introduced the widget. Now today, in 2020, almost 2021, Apple introduces the widget in Big Sur. Now, how to go ahead and get to it is if we go ahead and click up on the time and date up here and then scroll on down, you can edit widgets. This is just like Windows Vista, so if you loved Vista and now you have a Mac, then this is something that you could definitely take advantage of. So we can go ahead and just click on this here, add that, and then say that you don't like it, you can just go ahead and hit the minus key right there. You can go ahead and put up like a reminder, and then you can just right click on it and say that you want to make that medium or large. You can do that pretty easily. But anyways, yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. You can come over here on the left side and go ahead and select, say, like, podcast widget or whatever. But anyways, we're rocking it like it's 2006. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you in the control center. You just go ahead and click on these, it looks kind of like two switches, and say that you want to go ahead and, for example, add Bluetooth up here to your menu bar. You just go ahead and click and hold that. Plop it right on the menu bar, and there it is. Now to go ahead and remove it, you go ahead and say you click on it, go to Bluetooth preferences, and then you can go ahead and see here there's this checkbox that says show Bluetooth in menu bar. You just uncheck that, and then boom, it's now gone. So that is basically it for that. Now if we come back in here, see, if you go ahead and hover over like display and you get this little arrow, you click on that guy, and you can actually go ahead and, right now I've got dark mode turned on. If I click that, turned it off, I can do the night shift, I can do the true tone, on or off, all right from here. So that's pretty cool. And under sound here, if we click on this, we can actually go ahead and select like the output, like if you were to wanting to be using, say, like your Apple TV versus your built-in speakers on the MacBook Pro. So that's kind of cool. Or you can just jump right over to the sound preferences. It's basically just kind of like a shortcut instead of having to go through the settings menu. And you can come right in here and like play the different sound effects. All sorts of stuff. So anyways, that is basically it. And let me know what you think of this video down in the comment section down below. Also be sure to go ahead and slap that like button if you haven't already, and also consider subscribing, as it really does help out a small channel like mine, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you have any other questions or requests, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.